Hey, Manando, I like your work also, bruh.
Nah, I want us to talk real business, my dog.
Okay.
Have you made your first 100K trading?
Yes, I have.
So why do you want TradingHub to like leak people's courses?
Courses, ne? I want you to understand one thing, ne? Aside
Make me
from him,
understand.
no, bruh. What you know? What you know? What is the problem, ne? These people will give you these courses, ne? And the mere fact is that how about for the courses, is not what they trade. One
You're
understand?
saying it from experience.
Yes, I'm saying it from experience.
Or you've been doing that to people.
How? I'm saying that these people, but for the course, ne? Okay, upatala
But it takes
mentorship.
one to know one.
Akudli.
God, it takes one to know one.
No, now I give funny the course because of I've paid for mentorship, and what I've noticed, good like I get gaining next. You understand? Nikabatla fellow advance my trading strategy, but the fact to go like the way Nikki trader got in before is far better than all these courses,
It's far
bruh.
better than these courses.
Yeah, one thing I paid for a course only to find out or it ain't go trading hub. Do you know how painful is that? I
It's
paid
not
about
painful.
it's painful, bruh.
It's lack of knowledge.
How?
Lack of
Lack of knowledge.
research. You should be blaming yourself.
Blame the
Okay, man.
mentor, Manando. Blame the mentor because the mentor you're
Nah,
not
you should blame himself. Hey
that.
Joe, TradingHub, you have linked Falco ni Joe. Or rather not know I have to go to Mark and say, fuck man, I shouldn't have bought your mentorship. Nah man, it's not like that, dog. How come you blaming the mentor? I'll blame
Listen.
myself, man.
One
If
thing
I
I
were
said.
to search for that shit in the internet and get it, I'll be proud. But then just because I didn't get it, then like you feel what I'm saying?
Okay.
I hear you. But then let's hear Tabiso's story about.
Nah,
Okay.
Taviso Joe.
Okay, Manando. Listen, bruh. Let me say, I became profitable, once I started watching your videos on YouTube, and it's kind of similar. It's kind of similar to the way how Mark teaches.
Yeah.
And I think that you teach on YouTube are much better than these courses.
Hey, bro, like there I get you, but then like I put my work out there so people can like watch them. You know, understand? That's the reason I have a YouTube. So my mentorship can never be recorded. But then I'm talking about those who are recording. You know.
Happen Manando, happen
But
you're not scared of
imagine, right? Okay,
anyone.
wait. Imagine, Taviso. Let's
Sure.
let me put you on someone's shoes, right?
Okay.
Okay, you're who? You're like Marco or Tumelo GPY or stuff like that. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So you decided to like sit down. You decided to like work on your craft. You decided to like do a lot of things, bro. You feel me? And then after doing all those things, you recorded. You like summarize the course. You want the people to be stuff like that. Okay, sharp. You have your course and you start selling it. Then comes a boy who had like 10 followers 2 years back. Now he's big as fuck. He comes to the game, he starts fucking everything that you worked hard for. You feel me, my bro? Like, what are you gonna do? Will you let it slide? Won't you be worried? I'm like, bro, when this nigga had 200 followers, I think I had like 10K. So someone who's coming out of Telegram with like 15K subscribers is out there just giving away your cause. Think about that, bro. It's like,
Happen you must think about it, dog. You must think about why are the mentors misleading the people? The students. Think about people that spend their last money only to find out they're gonna get scammed.
Yeah,
Or
the
not,
Nah,
or
they
problem,
not
didn't
with
know.
their work ethic.
the problem ko
They
rene
didn't know.
Manando. The problem ko rene Manando ne, o tlo ntsha 5,000, o ntsha 5,000 for course. Then after that course, you're not profitable. Wa funda and like the course is not helpful for you.
Bro,
The
I
course
went
went
to a private. I went to a private school and I failed. So, what you're saying, man, I don't take it because it doesn't mean that like if I teach 10 people, we're all gonna be successful. You know, we have some Joe slow learner, fucking slow learner. When you like a fucking slow learner, there's nothing I can do. It will take you time, but then like we can't make it at the same time. That's one thing that you need to understand. You feel me?
but one thing there, all
So
this
it's not
fucking
my
people,
okay, oh, Najo, if you pay me 5K and I teach you, and then like you're not profitable, did I scam you?
no you
Oh,
didn't. No you didn't.
yeah,
But the problem ko rene, my problem ko like all these mentors ne, they make more money trading ka di course. So you see Robona, they're in this game to make money ka di mentorship.
hey, Joe, is Forex a society or a business?
It's a business.
Forex
What
is
do
a
you
business
expect
on
in
the
business?
chart.
What
It's a
happens in
business on the
business?
chart.
Man,
So
trading hub, what's a business? Lead two, what's a
so
business?
kopa botsa Manando. Wena reason
No,
ya
no, ask
urugule
you a question. No,
Happy
this is
listen.
a
Happy you have
question.
to be registered to the FSCA to sell courses by law. If they want us to bring up that, you can bring it up. It's fine. By law, FSCA. If you wanna sell courses, you must register with the FSCA. Then we won't even leak your course by law. Right now, we have the right to leak their course because it's free of charge. There's nothing that they can do to us.
Bro, if that's the way, then we need to take our kids to private school by force.
take out your what?
Yeah. We need to
Yeah,
take our
let it
children.
be. Let
We're
it
gonna get
be.
3, we're gonna get 2. Yeah, we got the virus, right? Excellent.
Yeah?
That boy, man, we're going to leak their course, dog. It's fine. Don't worry, dog. We're not gonna stop what we are doing. The people that understand our vision, those are the ones that will know what we're not gonna tolerate nonsense, bruh. Oksalayo, regardless of what someone says, we're not gonna tolerate nonsense, dog. It's a fact. It's a fact.
Okay. Yeah, Nick, but
We're not gonna tolerate nonsense, I tell
yeah,
you. But
yeah.
hey, if you charge 5K, you are fighting poverty. Well, Islamic dog, I don't understand. So if you charge people 5K, but you say you're fighting poverty, that's fucked up because poor people don't get 5K.
Yeah,
But
it does.
you see what Dr. Martin was doing? You see what I'm talking about?
Yeah, the charges
See what I'm
are way
talking
too
about?
much. Uh, the overvalued the price of the charger.
Yeah, after we exposed, but dog, we come with proof. That's the thing with us, dog. We come with proof.
Yeah,
We don't come kamulo. Maritli kamulo. Maritla kadi proof. That's the thing.
yeah.
Nah, I
It's like
mean,
kamulo.
Tabi's no ring. I wanted to ask a question.
Oh yeah,
They keep
yeah. The question that I was,
asking me.
yeah, question about was on and it's based on your YouTube channel. Were you starting it for profit, or were you starting it like to sabatho on so or babe sharp mo industry?
I was showing people that there's a certain strategy that you can use and it works.
Or meaning, or like you were doing it for good purpose.
If I was doing it for free, I felt like I wouldn't monetize it because I already made 20,000 out of YouTube.
Okay. So, what's the question? Do we make more from YouTube or from your own tradings or from your mentorships?
I don't remember when last I did mentorship, so
Okay.
I would lie.
What is the reason you
Yeah, I'm not
What is the reason you
because I wanted to give you guys, the upcoming traders, a chance to have the platform to empower others. Because I felt like I was in a competition with people, so I decided to say, let me stop with this thing and let those who wanna carry the legacy. That was my reason.
So, what's another question? So, do you now like
Yeah.
if no guy can mentorship onaje, do you think unali more to offer? Like unali something okay tlisang like unusual
I can't say
different.
I can't say I have more. I can't say I have more to offer because there's certain people who went to TradingHub and complain about the services that they were getting. But sometimes you don't do Zoom sessions. That's why I was avoiding such stuff, you know. Like when you end the mentorship, there's nothing of nah, we're done, you know, because
You know what?
I don't
You know one
wanna
thing excellent problem.
find myself in a
You know one thing
I don't want
excellent problem when it comes to mentorship man. Contact classes. You see when it comes to the contact class, again a problem. Again a problem because of if for your side, unga complain na mentor face to face. The mfeto. FX code. I'm not happy with it. Can say this. Unlike Zoom, if you come message like he's just gonna ignore you, and because of one thing when you go trading hub through those messages, tailoring like but then somebody will ignore. So what kind of statement is that?
I can't answer on that because I've never done anyone that, you know,
Yeah.
where he paid the wrong answer. I'll just answer the way I wanna answer. But one thing you need to understand is if you paid me 2K for mentorship, that 2K doesn't mean you have to control me. That 2K doesn't mean you
But
have to say jump Manando and I say how high.
but
That 2K doesn't mean that you call me in 4 a.m. around 4 a.m. and tell me nonsense.
Service, what's mentorship?
but imagine
Hey, yo, bro,
imagine
I said I'll offer say sometimes I say how can I offer if I can service? Well, sometimes we chill with our girlfriends. Which service do you want? Do you want me to show you that I'm with my girl?
Yeah, yeah,
imagine another thing.
But we also have a life besides trading, bro. Go on. You can't text me on a Saturday. What are we analyzing? 1 year, la sharp sharp. Saturday, you asking me about the market? Nah, let's be realistic. Go in here, but
Saturday is when like you have to chill with girls, dog.
Volatility we see alemang, volatility boom and crash we
huh?
see alemang, volatility boom and crash.
Volatility from Monday to Sunday.
Hey Joe. I didn't sign a form. 24/7. I'll be there for you. You know, you need to understand that, bro. I have a girlfriend. What are come on? If when you think you're not making money in the charts, what I taught you, stick to it, trade your volatility.
Yeah, Maga Stacy is single, Yana, she has a problem with me leaking the course. Maga, you're not chatting 24/7.
Bro, now if you get my course or whatever, lick it, bro. But then It is what it is, bro. We can't stop you from doing that.
Mare kopa o imagine
You can add those who add that TradingHub. Add that to
Sure.
the room. They have questions. I'll answer them in a good way. A
Oh,
very, very,
okay.
very good way. You can add the scratch out. Those who wants to ask questions, I'll give them the answers that they need.
Okay, Nikki Batse.
Hey, so I'll explain. If you have something to ask, I'll explain. Go words or then time.
Share, why do you have to charge people 5K when you're already making money?
Okay, why do you have to charge 5K people when you're already making money? That's the question.
But then look, man, you can't be paying 10,000 just to learn moving averages. Let's be realistic.
Bro, if you see I'm making money and you need, like, hey, Joe, we never call those people.
But then 10,000 for
Let's
moving average. Let's be realistic.
you don't.
Manando.
And when they come and pay, well, now you're not there. Whenever
Yeah, but then you're not leaving but then that's being greedy on another level. Why would you want to teach someone moving average for 10,000? They Mfanaka, they are here, dog. Here I'm fighting. Yeah. Right. But if those brews they were legit, man, I wasn't gonna have a problem with them. But my problem is why they're scamming people, dog. That's my thing. I'm told. Ape mna re tshabe motho, dog. Forex a se ya bo mmaabo. Okay. But is this time is sacrifice who can be used to do other profitable things?